Yo, you feeling a little overwhelmed with your business? Well, so am I. Let's talk about it. What's happening, everybody? Boy Big Brando, and today let's talk about what happens when life starts lifing. Now, I just wanted to make this video right here to kind of give you guys a little life update and how things are going for myself, and currently things are going bad. And when I say things are going bad, I'm talking about within the business side, trying to juggle my business with my day job. Things are very hectic at the moment. And when things get hectic, the stress starts to pile on. So maybe I'm making this video right here to kind of vent and maybe rant a little bit, but more so I want to actually talk about the real life struggles of running a business and working a full-time job. Now, most of you guys know this, I have a full-time job, just like you guys. And usually around this time, things get busy for myself. I usually work 9 to 10 hour days, but for the last few weeks to a month, I've been working 12-hour, 13-hour days, and when I get off work, I'm tired. So when that happens, obviously everything in the shop starts to take a little bit of a back burner when it comes to my mental capacity, my physical well-being, and just really trying to stay afloat. Now, on top of being busy at work, my embroidery machine's been down. Not because the machine went down, but my neighbors at the shop are doing construction, and whatever they did in their unit, they cut the power to everything on the left side of my shop. So all of my outlets are out. It didn't trip my breaker box, but for whatever reason, everything that's plugged into the left side of the shop doesn't work. So the embroidery machine's been down for a while. They're still trying to figure out the issue, and the work is piling up and the job's getting closer to their deadline. I've already been in contact with a lot of the clients just to let them know what the hiccup is, but some of that stuff is out of my power. But that also just adds to the headaches, it adds to the stress, because I like things to run smoothly. And right now, things are far from smooth. I got t-shirt orders that I need to get out for clients. I haven't been able to do inventory in the store or for the online store. I still need to re-up on blanks for the store and the online store, and I haven't had a chance to do that. And on top of that, I'm backed up on some of this graphic design stuff where I need to order transfers for. So right now, my focus is on trying to get the client stuff out, because I know during the holiday season, this is a big deal for a lot of my clients that I print for. So I want to make sure that they got their products in hand so they could get to this money. So if I can't get my embroidery machine back up, then I'm going to outsource the embroidery work to local shops just to get the deadlines met. But I'm also going to take a big hit because I'm not going to be able to really cash in on those jobs. I'm just trying to break even just to get the jobs out the door, which sucks. But at the same exact time, I want to keep the customers happy. But I also do a lot of samples for a lot of people. So some of my clients hit me up and they want to see certain samples on different hats. Usually if this was a regular day, I could bang that out for them in a few days. But since the machine's been down and we're trying to get things out the door, I haven't had a chance to do it. So when people hit me up and they're like, hey, can you run my hats for me? Or they hit me up, do you offer embroidery services? Or can you make my shirts for me? And I tell them, hey, I'm a little too busy. I can't take in any new work, any new clients right now. People get offended and they're like, now this guy's so Hollywood, he can't do no work. I've never once promoted on my channel, hey, let me print for you. Hey, let me do your hats for you. I've never even solicited that type of work on YouTube. People just see me doing it and they automatically think, hey, I want this guy to do my stuff. It's very hard for me to take in new work when I can't even get the work that I currently have out the door. And on top of that, a lot of my clients aren't local. I mean, I have a lot of local clients, but I also have clients in Hawaii. I got clients in Northern California, out in Vegas, out in Arizona, even out in Florida. So logistically, it's me trying to get it out the door so I could get it shipped and get it into the hands of my clients so they have it in a timely manner. All of this right here is just added stress, and it gets hard to juggle after a while. So what I do want to show you is the method to my madness, I guess. I'll take you guys in the other room and then show you guys kind of how I organize my life and kind of the jobs that I have in, the jobs that are coming up, and things that I need to get done. So hopefully this helps some people out. This is how I do things. It might not be the best way of doing things, but for myself, this is what works right now. It's basically what the job is, when the job needs to be done. Did I order the blanks? Did I order the transfers? What I have in shop and what I don't have in shop. All of that stuff is kind of written out on a whiteboard. And as things come up, I could cross them out, or as things get out the door, I could start the list all over. It's just visually helping me see what needs to be done so I could prioritize a little bit better, if that makes any sense. So let me take you guys into the other room and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about to hopefully help you out in the future. All right, check it out. This is kind of how I keep my life organized, or if not my life, the shop organized. And there's a method to this right here. This might not make sense to a lot of people, but for myself, this is kind of how I organize everything and keep everything in order, so I know that I'm kind of up to date. You might see this in the back of my video. Sometimes it's wiped clean, sometimes there's things written on it. So right now I have 3 hat jobs that I need to get done quick. Due dates are 11/22, 11/23, and 11/24. Just for example, this top one right here is going to be 6-panel auto hats. Those are the regular standard snapbacks. It's just going to be a black hat with white stitching, 3D puff, so we're going to have to lay foam down. We're doing 24 of those. This next one is dad hats, tan and brown, 72 pieces. And the last one is more dad hats that are going to be on U-pongs. The top ones are going to be on 47 blanks. The bottom ones are going to be on U-pongs. It's going to be purple on purple, and it's going to be 75 pieces. I ordered those, and these need to be done by 11/24. These ones right here, I already have the blanks in. The 47 dad hats, I have those blanks in, but I need to get those done. And as you know, and as I told you, my embroidery machine is down because the electrical in here is messed up because of our neighbor. I already explained all that, but the machine is down and I still need to get these orders out. Down here, these are samples. These are hat samples. People usually hit me up. All of my clients will say, hey, can I see a sample of this or whatever? We already got these done, the purple on purple, so I actually could erase that one. That one's kind of done. That sample's been done, but I had to order the rest of the hats to complete the order. Next one is going to be a 6-panel auto, black on white. Easy, I already have those in stock. The next one is green on yellow. I don't have green hats, so I had to order some. 6-panel autos also. I ordered those back on 10/28. So we haven't got them in yet. The next ones are 5-panel auto, black and white, and the neutral and black. It's something similar to this, but it's a 5-panel. It's been sold out on Otto's website. I ordered those back on 10/30. Those are just for samples also. And what is this? Oh, 5-panel AS color 5-panel. Brown with the white. So it's the brown, all brown A-frame hat with white stitching. I got those in on 11/02. Those are samples that still need to be done that I haven't even been able to complete yet. The 5-panel one, that one's going out to Hawaii actually. That's for a band called High Water. The homie G from Hawaii hit me up and was just like, yo, can you run me some samples? I ordered them, just haven't been able to get to them. Like I said, things been kind of up in the air. Next thing is shirts. So I have shirts down here. 100-piece shirt order, lavender and purple, lavender shirt, purple print. I have the shirts in, the transfers are in. I just need to get those done. This next one down here is black, green, and yellow. So black t-shirt, green and yellow print. Shirts are in, transfers are in. And these hoodies right here, 120-piece. Order those 11/14, waiting for them to come in. Transfers are already in. And then down here, I like to write little notes. So I either have notes up here or down here. These are orders that somebody hit me up and said, hey, I'm gonna place this order. So I give myself a little bit of a heads up where it says heads up. So Hi-Fi, the homie Nainoa, is gonna be sending in an order through text or email. So I'm gonna be looking for those. And then also one of my other clients is gonna be sending me some t-shirts through email. This makes no sense to nobody but myself. It's crazy because when I do stuff like this and somebody else in the shop that works in here sees it, they're just like, all right, what does this mean? So just for example, we'll use the t-shirts, right? So if I'm ordering, I don't keep lavender shirts in stock at all. So I have to order those. So when I order the lavender shirts, I'll put ordered and then when I ordered them. So like these hoodies right here, I ordered 120 hoodies. I ordered them on 11/14. As they come in, I'll take out the date and then I'll put in. So I have the shirts in, I have the transfers in. Same thing for the hats. The hats, when I order them, they'll say ordered, but then when I get them in, I'll scratch that out and put in. So that way I know in this shop, the t-shirts are here, the hats are here, everything I need to run the job is here and it's ready to go. This is all for hats. The embroidery machine, it's on all the time. So with it being down, that means we're backed up like crazy. And these aren't just the only orders. These are the ones that I'm doing. The guys in the shop have other orders for other clients. So there's so much else going on So having that down is kind of a bummer for us because we're just kind of dead in the water right now. So t-shirt orders, hoodies, stuff like that, I'm gonna start chipping away at that and kind of knocking those things down. But like I said, when life starts lifing, it gets hectic. And I just wanted to show you guys kind of what my organization looks like. If that, it's not even really organized, it's just visually I can go up there and see, and then when things are done, I'll wipe it away and then get to the next one, all right? So hopefully this helps somebody out. If you were wondering how I do this, or if you're looking for a similar way, get a whiteboard, get some paper, take out the notes in your phone, whatever you have to do to kind of keep yourself organized, all right? So let me know in the comments if you use a similar strategy like this, or if you have a better strategy than this. I'm open to everything because this is what works for me, especially when I start to get backed up. It visually helps to see what I need to get done and prioritize things. But if you have a better strategy, I'm all ears because I'm open to seeing what everybody does and how everybody does stuff. This is just what I do, but I'm always open to learning something new and switching up my stuff just to make my life a little bit easier. So leave it in the comments. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments, please. Follow me on Instagram, Big Brando TV. Catch you guys on the next one, man. Yeah.